everybody, my name is Suyash, you're watching Mind, Body, Spirit. Today's Law of Attraction success story is really heartwarming. It's really sweet, but at the same time, it's a really great, exact, inspiring success. So give this video a like and let's get started. So today's success story has been sent to me by Rini. Rini has sent it by email and she herself has named the success story very interestingly, Manifested an Energy Healer. Alright, and Rini writes, Hi Suyash, I am Rini. Before I share my small manifestation, I would like you to know that your channel is beyond amazing. In fact, I think it's the best I have come across on the law of attraction. So here's thank you a trillion times for your hard work and effort you are putting into sharing your knowledge on the law of attraction, and also your success story series is Sone Pe Suhaga. It's an icing on the cake. Thank you so much, Rini. And then Rini writes, So Yash, I have manifested a lot of things unintentionally, even when I was unaware of the law of attraction. In 2016 was when I first came to know about the law of attraction and its techniques, but I never applied them. It was this year when I started using law of attraction, because from the past 3 years I have had countless emotional breakdowns because I was constantly surrounded with negative people. As a result, I was sad and disturbed. These emotions just increased more and more because I did not share how I felt to let it out of my system. It was February this year when I came across your channel and everything started changing for good. And soon I was binge watching your videos and stumbled upon a video which inspired me to change my perspective of life. In that video, you mentioned to start being grateful for the smallest things in life, as it will help us align with the universe and manifest our desires, because gratitude is a higher vibration. With high motivation after watching that video, the immediate next day I started being grateful for things which we often miss out on because they are taken for granted. Days passed by practicing gratitude, but I was still not content. I was stressed out because I was living in the past and also because of the problems which were just in my mind. So I stopped for a while and went back to the time when I was happy and a content person. As I was recalling, I started to take note of memories which made me happy. The one memory that I noted down was me playing with my cat. This immediately lit my mood up. I was smiling. I have always been an animal lover. They just make me happy. That's when I decided to adopt a cat because they are energy healers. And then in brackets she has written, FYI, cats are able to heal because of their purr. A cat's purr is magical. Purrs are at frequency waves between 25 to 150 Hz, which has been proven to be medically therapeutic and helps lower stress. I had no idea about this. I did not know this. Alright, and then she continues, So I started searching for stray cats in my locality who needed a home. But to my bad luck, the cats in my locality feared human interaction. Hence, it was impossible to gain their trust and adopt one. But I was keen on adopting a stray, so I decided to manifest one. I started visualizing myself adopting a stray cat who came up to my door, a white and orange cat with a beautiful long furry tail, playing with me and my family. Oh, just thinking about a cat made me so happy. I also scripted this intention and visualized it for 2 to 3 days. And she has actually sent us a photo of that script that she wrote. I'll show it to you once I've read you the success story. And then Rini continues, and guess what? The universe delivered my exact order. After 2 to 3 weeks, this exact cat was at my doorstep crying. This was exactly how I visualized it. I was careful before I went close to the cat because I did not want to scare him away. But to my surprise, this cat came closer to me and started showing affection. I was shocked as he did not run away like the cats in my locality did. I fed him and he went back as he was a stray. Next day, he came back and stayed for a longer time. He started coming back every day and staying for a longer time than before. And now he is practically living in my house, and in brackets she has written, I think he has adopted us. That's so wonderful. And then she continues, this cat and his purring has healed me. I am now becoming a happier and a grateful person day by day. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, universe. And also thank you, Suyash. I have many more manifestations coming my way that I will be sharing. And I know this for sure because the universe has been sending me crazy and direct signs. You were right, Suyash, about gratitude. Be grateful and experience the magic of life. Attaching this cat's photo and also the snapshot of the page from my manifestation journal where I scripted about this intention. So right now on your screen, she has sent us some photos of the cat, and as you can see, it's white and orange, just like she had visualized, just like she had written. And this is the script that she actually used. She wrote it and then she visualized also. So she actually got the kind of cat and the kind of interaction that she wanted with that cat. Just like she visualized, the cat came to the door. The cat was friendly and affectionate, and that was exactly what her intention was. So I mean, seriously, what a great success story. Animals can really be stress busters, and I think we need them and they need us. So this is great success. All in all of you watching this video, let me know down below what you think about it. Give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe and also press the bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And to get the maximum benefit out of these law of attraction success stories, watch a few success stories every day, at least one, if possible more success stories every day, and gradually your thought process will change, your belief will increase, and as a result there will be an improvement in the results that you are getting, the speed with which you are getting results with the law of attraction. And to help you do that, right now on your screen will be the link to a playlist containing all videos that I've posted in this series till now. Go ahead, watch a few more of these videos, watch these videos every day and notice the difference.